Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video. It is a very different video for me. I don't think I've ever done one like this, but I absolutely love the holidays and it hasn't always been that way, and I will be sharing that story with you guys whenever I do my Christmas home tour. As you can see in the background, I have definitely started to do some different things in our home for the holidays this year, so I'm really excited about that. But for today's video, I'm going to be sharing basically this whole video is centered around one of my favorite Christmas songs, and it's called My Grown Up Christmas List, and I absolutely love that song. And so I have my grown up Christmas wish list here, and I am definitely going to be sharing those things with you guys. Some of them I have purchased for myself, so definitely this can be a self gift guide or gifts you want to buy for yourself or your home. And then some of these I have passed on to the hubby. But at any rate, I like for my Christmas gift list to always be very practical. If you guys haven't seen my Christmas story time from last year, I'm going to link that down below so that you guys can go back and check that out. And you can kind of understand why I am like I am when it comes to practical gifts for Christmas. So so a lot of these are going to be very practical. And then I have a few luxury splurges, which is very different for me, but I definitely want to share those as well. I feel like I have worked super hard this year, and so definitely I feel like I deserve it. So for those of you guys who have been watching me on my live feeds here on YouTube, you know that I've been under the weather. So you see my eyes are a little bit red, or they look watery, and I am absolutely fine. I'm just still recovering. And so I've been sneezing a lot. Thus the reason for like the running mascara and things like that as well. So without any further ado, let's hop into my grown-up Christmas wish list. So the first thing on my wish list is family togetherness and memories. And you guys know that family is very important to me. A few years ago, I lost 6 of my family members in 5 family members in a 6 to 8 week period. And it was a very tough time for me. And it started like right before the holidays, and it continued throughout the holidays. So that has been extremely rough for me. And then also, in addition to that, this year I lost like the Rockerville family, which was my aunt who also raised me, and my godmother. I lost them both on the same day within the same hour, and it was really tough. So always, at the top of my list is going to be creating memories and spending time with family. Like that is so important, and you cannot replace it. The next thing that I had on my list is definitely, I told you guys I love to be practical. So I love like socks during the holidays, and I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and it's the socks with the writing on the bottom of the foot, and it says I love you to the North Pole and back. I love these. And then this one says, if you can read this, bring me Santa's cookies. Love that. And this one says, wake me up when it's Christmas. So I absolutely love these socks, and they were $4.99 a piece, but of course they were included in the Christmas items. So they were like $2.49 a piece. The next item that I have that I think is an extremely practical gift is these tummies. And oh my gosh, you guys, these were created by Very Carey, and I have ordered these several times. I have had some really tough, like that time of the month is really tough for me, or had been. But when I got these tummies, and as you can see, I've already had one gone, but they have like the little heating pad in it and the little pocket in the front. These are a must-have. Like if you have suffered from endometriosis or terrible cramps, these right here are a lifesaver. So I absolutely love these. And so I will leave a link for this down in the description box below, but they are so worth it. And they are very well made. And I love that fact about it as well. Another practical gift that I have is that I definitely needed a new cell phone case. Like I've cracked, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have cracked my cell phone case here and it's like all beat up. And then this one, it is so dirty. It's not appearing that way in camera. Maybe you can see the discoloration. It's a Kate Spade, but it's supposed to be black and white. And I have dropped this phone and cracked it and done everything under the sun to it. So I wanted to get some custom phone cases, and these are by Hanogram. And I'm going to look at these for the first time on camera with you guys. They do personalize phone cases, and I wanted something marble. Look at how nice that is, and it has my name on it. So I will definitely leave a link to this down below. So this is for my iPhone 8, and I absolutely love that. And it's like marble. I don't know if the marble is showing up well in that, but you can definitely see my name. I love that. Ooh, love it. And this is a great personalized gift that you can give as well. Great gift to yourself. Again, I like to put practical things on my grown-up Christmas wish list. And so here is a floral. So it matches the other one because I have, I love to change out. And I have two different phones, one for it's my work phone, and then my other one is my personal phone. So I have two different phones, and I definitely wanted the two to kind of coordinate, which they don't right now. So I did pick these up, and then this one is a clear case, and it has my name on it too. And so these are great, like if you have phones just sitting around and you're wondering who has what phone or whose phone is whose, especially around the holidays. These are a great way. And again, these are by Hanogram, and I will be sure to leave that link down below. But there is the website. Love these. Love these. Very well made, and I love the presentation for these as well. All right, let's keep it moving. I definitely needed, okay, let's go here. So I also this year, some more practical things that I needed was that I don't dress up a whole lot. I mean, I don't dress down a lot. I love to be comfortable. That's like one of my favorite ways to dress, but I don't have a lot of comfortable clothing. And so Victoria's Secret had like this huge sale. It's like buy 3, get 3 free. And a buy 2, get 2 free. And they also had like the $20 off $40 coupon. So, I took advantage of it, and I ended up getting 4 Victoria's Secret sets for like $130 something. So I got it in yellow. I got one in pink. And this was great because they ended up being like $30 something per set. And that's great for Victoria's Secret. And I got this one in rose gold, which I've already opened this one to kind of see how thick it was. But I absolutely love these sets. And again, a very practical gift and would be great for a teen. So y'all, I mean, those sales are really, they go on every week leading up to the holidays. So I highly suggest that you check those out. The next item that I got, which is something I don't buy really often, just because I used to buy this a lot. And then I found out later that it would actually go bad. And so I stopped doing it, and I decided to start buying perfumes by the season. And so here is like my number one scent is Miss Dior. And I love to buy perfume sets or during the holidays because they do come in gift sets, and you get a lot more for your buck. You get a lot, a bigger bang for your buck. And I'm all about living luxuriously for less. And for less doesn't always mean cheap. It just means that you maximize the amount of money that you spend. So it doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to be a penny or a dollar or everything is not Dollar Tree. There are some things that you just have to spend on if you want something nice. And for me, perfume is one of those things. And like I said, I like to buy these sets during the holidays so that I can get like the perfume and the travel set and then the smaller parfum so that I can travel with those as well. And this scent is so good. It's by Miss Dior. It's called Bloomin' Bouquet, and I absolutely love this scent. Like that is my signature scent and my go-to year round. And then also this time of the year, I do a little bit of splurging. Again, more bang for your buck. And this is the Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. And I absolutely love this. You see the little jingle bell on the top. I love the packaging. And let's see if I can get into it. A little bit difficult to get into. Goodness. And this was $120. And this was like very reasonable compared to what this typically costs. Here it is. So this is how it opens up. It's like the little egg. And then the perfume is here. And it also includes the shower gel and the body lotion. And not sure how many ounces this perfume is. It is 1.7 fluid ounces. So you can still travel with this perfume as well, which is the reason why I got the smaller version. But again, I love the fact that it came in a set, because you would typically spend that much just on the perfume alone. So that is here for my birthday. My husband buys me a luxury handbag. I don't typically share those a lot on YouTube just because, really no reason. I just don't. But this year we went to Paris. And so that's why I wanted to share this one, because we did get to go to the flagship store and I got this beauty. It is called the Victor. And I love it because it reminds me a little bit of Chanel. I love the chain handles, and I love the fact that it can also be converted into a crossbody easily, because I wanted a crossbody, something that I could easily wear and carry throughout the airport as I travel for work and things of that nature. I love the clasp on the front. It is kind of like the old school vintage, what do you call those, like travel bags, and then the inside just feels so great. And it has a zipper there as well for like all of your personal things. So this was my splurge gift for this year. And I absolutely love it. I do. And it was Lux for Less. Like, I kept telling my husband that the price of handbags in Paris was much cheaper than the price of handbags here in the US. And he was just like, there's no way the euro is worth more than the dollar. But we found out that it actually is. I tried to convince him to let me get more than one, but that didn't work because we saved so much money on them. But no, that did not work. So if you're interested in this handbag, I will leave it linked down below. It is a part of their new travel line or their safari or luggage line. So I do love that. And I was just really, really overall pleased with this purchase and just the experience of going into the flagship store. Now you may see my hubby walk behind us because he just finished fixing himself something to eat. So yeah, he's been turning the microwave on and everything while I'm in the middle of filming. Like something else. He's something else. But I love him and I would not take anything in the world for him. And yeah, I don't want to give away the other video that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but you definitely don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss this video. Like, it is going to be one of the most real videos I've ever posted on YouTube. So there you have it. So I have family togetherness. I wanted some very practical things that we went over, some perfumes, new camera equipment. And as you guys can see, it is here. You see all those boxes over there. Yeah. So that is all of the camera equipment that I have coming in. So I definitely wanted to upgrade my YouTube channel in 2019. One of the things I don't have yet is a Mac computer. Definitely need one of those for editing. If I told you guys the process that I go through to edit these videos for you guys, you would not believe it. Like, you wouldn't believe it. So I wanted to end this video on a very exciting note. So with that being said, I wanted to number one, announce the winner from the last giveaway I had, which was the $100 JCPenney gift card. And again, that gift card was not sponsored by or in association with JCPenney. So for those of you guys who left a comment like, JCPenney sponsored this. No, they did not. And then the second thing is I wanted to announce that winner and then, tell you guys about a new contest. So the winner for that one, and I went through and read every comment, you guys, and I wish I had like a whole bunch of $100 gift cards to give away because a lot of them really touched my heart. But this one really touched me because just the other day I was walking in a store and I saw that they had a gift mystery for seniors, and it was something I really wanted to do. Had been super busy, didn't went to go get a little tag and they didn't have anymore, but I really wanted to give back to the seniors. So there was a young lady by the name of Vicki Harris. Vicki, if you're watching this, you are the winner. You need to email me your address and I will send you the JCPenney gift card. So Vicki is has a Mending Hearts ministry, and she sponsors monthly resident birthday parties at different facilities throughout her area. And so JCPenney has wonderful gifts that seniors would enjoy, such as plush socks, robes, slippers, and loungewear. So Vicki, congratulations. You are the winner of the $100 gift card giveaway for JCPenney. And I'm going to be hosting a new contest. So for those of you guys who saw my fall video, and if you love that light dimmer from Lutron and you want one in your home, I actually saw one when I was in Paris. I was like, Lutron is international. I felt so special because our hotel was super nice and it had the Lutron light dimmers there as well. So if you're interested in winning a light dimmer, comment on this video and I will have them to ship one directly to your home. Just comment and tell me what room in your home you would add the light dimmer and what type of ambiance you're hoping to create. Like, are you hoping to create something for like a family movie night or a romantic night for Valentine's Day? You know, I would love to know how you guys would use it. Maybe a dinner for two in the kitchen. I just love to know, maybe in the bathroom, you know, when you're wanting to do a really nice bubble bath. Like, that's one of the ways I love to relax, is with an awesome bubble bath. So let me know how you plan on using the light. I will leave all of the requirements for the Lutron light dimmer contest down in the description box below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!